My Lord, I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah.
وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
He is with you wherever you are, and Allah, the Almighty, is the seer of all that you do. Allah Almighty is the all-seeing. He sees everything, the apparent and the hidden, the perceptible and the veiled. Nothing in the high heavens or in the low earth, or in what is between them both, nor what is under the ground, can ever be concealed from His vision. Allah Almighty sees and hears the footsteps of the black ant on a silent rock on a dark night. He sees all of its internal organs, its external limbs, and its fine body. He sees the individual veins of the ant, the bee, the mosquitoes, and whatever is even smaller than that. He sees the hidden waters in branches of the trees and their leaves, and in all of the plants with their various types, however small and minute. He sees the actions of all His creation. He sees the affluent king in his palace and the impoverished homeless on the streets. He knows what we do in daylight and what we do in the darkness of the night. He knows what we do in public and what we do in solitude when we think we are out of sight. Realizing that Allah Almighty has such an attribute should discipline us to constantly keep a vigil on our conduct and behavior, by being precise when holding our tongue, actions, and soul to account. Knowing that Allah Almighty is the all-seeing should strengthen our resolve and fortitude in the face of all obstacles and sorrows. It should encourage us to be more devoted in our worship, more righteous in our deeds, and kinder to others. The more aware we are that Allah Almighty sees us, the greater our efforts should be in our worship. This awareness should help us in our humility and inspire us to do righteous deeds.
Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you.